Hello, I'm Cheryl Buckwalter, and I'm here to talk with you today about the eco-friendly landscape design plans for the new California landscape. This plan, the theme is called Neat and Petite. And why is that? That's because it is a lower maintenance landscape, it's tidy, low water use plants, it has easy care resource efficient lawn, and it has incorporated recycled and repurposed materials. With an emphasis on recycled materials, on-site water management, this eco-friendly landscape demonstrates how a variety of features, materials, and plants fit neatly into this small-scale property with bountiful beauty. This entry walkway to the home features recycled concrete at the entrance to the home as well as going to the driveway. And as you'll notice, there's recycled concrete that's been used across the driveway as well. And that is so the downspouts that come off of the roof, that bring water off of the roof, will direct the water into this permeable surface so that the water can soak into the ground. The landscape features this beautiful shade tree and some UC Davis Arboretum All-Stars, such as this Washington hawthorn. You will also notice that UC Arboretum All-Star plants have been used, such as these Betty Rollins oreganos around here. And we have grouped plants according to their hydrozones. What that means is that we've grouped plants according to their water use requirements, and then we've also given careful care to grouping those plants according to their sun or their solar requirements. As you walk up the entryway, there's this dwarf lemon in a decorative container that welcomes visitors and guests to your home. There is a chase tree at the entrance here as well that has beautiful blooms. And as you will notice, we have some dotted lines here. And what those dotted lines indicate is there's low mounding. And that's the case here where this hawthorn is as well. The low mounding helps to create and direct channels, if you will, or directs water toward the permeable surfaces as well as into the planting areas. Let's go on back toward the backyard. We'll cut across this driveway, and you see as you go through the gate there's also this concrete, this recycled concrete that has been used along the side. All of these plants have been selected so that they will grow to their mature size and be able to fit in this space without requiring excessive pruning and maintenance. One of the other benefits of having this recycled concrete is that it will allow rainwater from the downspouts to soak into the ground, as I've said, but it reduces the number and amount of pollutants such as oils and chemicals from entering into the gutters and streams and rivers. As we move to the backyard, we've got crepe myrtles here in the backyard that will provide beautiful color in the summer and the fall. Also, we have a native mow-free lawn that has been used, and what that means is less maintenance. You can mow this 1 or 2 times a year, and that's all that's really necessary. We've also used recycled concrete at the patio, and there's an overhead structure that provides wonderful shade. And this recycled concrete is the same material that was used here. So this low maintenance front, back, and side yard provides beautiful year-round color to the landscape. And we have some evergreen plants along the side here. Again, UC Arboretum All-Star plants and low water use plants have been incorporated into this landscape. The Neat and Petite New California landscape.